paying Lizzie to come to your clinic?
Sir, at this time, I'm not going to talk to you anymore.
But you told me this never happens.
I can assure you that that never happened.
What we just saw on our eyes never happened?
You have a video of everything, but apparently it was a setup.
The owner asked us to leave, saying he would pull the records and get back in touch with us. Several hours later, he called to apologize, saying there had been a billing mistake.
You say you're willing to return the money because it was a mistake. Let me ask you a question, Mr. Gari. Have you done this before? Have you charged Medicare hundreds of dollars for services that you've never done? 20 years and this has never happened before.
While in Florida, authorities say clinic rip-offs are now out of control. Back in Washington, HCFA Administrator Vladeck says his agency is making progress, putting more resources to work.
How many investigators does HHS have for all of South Florida?
I can't speak to the Inspector General's resources.
What if I were to tell you that it's four for all of South Florida, and one of them works full-time on Social Security?
I think it would be good if we had more.
There is one other aspect to at least some of these clinics. Not only are they ripping off Medicare, but consider the way they're dealing with patients, even those who are part of the scam. Unnecessary tests, bogus diagnoses, unlicensed doctors. Dr. Joe Greer says that while we knew the state of Lizzie's health,
what about all the other patients we don't know, or perhaps haven't had the opportunity to have an appropriate exam and have been ripped off? What if something was missed?
these crooked clinics in Miami are making money, stealing as much as $2 billion a year from your taxes. After months of helping in our investigation, Lizzie Green says authorities must find some way to put an end to it.
Unless something is done officially, there's nothing else I can do about it. I've gone in there and tried to get them exposed there. Now it's up to somebody else now.
Once again, we want to reassure you that we told Medicare about the $15,000 those clinics billed for Lizzie's treatment, so Medicare didn't pay the claims. And as a result of our investigation, the Inspector General's Office for the Department of Health and Human Services is conducting its own investigation into the clinics we visited. By the way, we donated the $470 Lizzie received as kickbacks from drivers to a scholarship fund. Incidentally, if you have something that calls for a primetime investigation, write us.